Good evening, everyone. We welcome you all to another live from JBG Endura 101. Today, we have some very special guests from our very own Kolkata community. So, we will be starting the live in just next few minutes. Hi, Rahul. Hello, Momita. Nice to see you all here. Hi, Roshni. Good evening.
Hi, good evening. I'm just trying to set up the camera.
Yes.
Okay, I think it's fine now. Can you see me?
Hi, Vaibhav. Good
Hi,
evening.
Shraddha. Hi, Roshni.
Hi.
Rather than I'll move to a brighter background.
Good
Yeah.
evening.
So, am I audible?
Yeah,
Yeah. Great.
yeah.
Yeah.
But I can't
Yes,
see
yes,
the
you
other
are.
two of you. Should
Yes,
I log
Roshni,
out
you are
again?
also audible.
No, I can
Yeah, but I
see
can't see the other.
Shraddha, Roshni here.
Yes. He's just waiting.
I
I
can't
think
see the
Samuel is
other
also
two of
going to
you.
join.
Should I log out again and log in?
No, no,
Yeah.
no. It's fine.
Okay, okay.
Hello. Hi, Sam.
Hello
Good
everyone.
evening.
Hello everyone.
How are you?
Good evening. एकदम fine.
Yeah. So we all are here, so we can start the live. So good evening, everyone. Good evening to the audience also. So I am Shraddha Mehta from the team JVG Endura 101, welcoming all of you on this live with some very, very well-known and loved faces from our Kolkata community. So we have seen them all running around Medan, around lakes, around Salt Lake area, Eco Park area, and they do a lot to contribute towards the wellness and fitness of the Kolkata community. So I welcome you all guys, a very, very warm welcome from JPG Endura 101. So before we start the live, I would just like, because we have a lot of audience who does not really, they are not from Kolkata. So I would like you guys to introduce yourselves first. So Roshni, we start with you.
Okay, hi. I'm a runner from Kolkata. I have started running almost like 2 years back after the COVID in 2021. And till then, I've done four full marathons, and I've recently also run the 50 kilometers at the Tata Ultra at Lonavala. So running for me is not just a passion, it's like a hobby, it's like a escape from everything that is stressful in life. So it's what gives me purpose in my life, meaning to my life, and it has changed me and my life in so many ways. And I'm also an IT professional. I'm a mother of a 7-year-old daughter, and I would also like to, bring her and into fitness and awareness from a very early age as well. So when she sees me in doing these morning workouts or morning runs, she also gets inspired and wants to be a part of all these things as well. So that's it.
That's really nice. Shayan, what about you? Please tell us something about yourself.
हाय मेरा नाम सायन है मैं एक्चुअली कोलकाता में न्यू टाउन इलाका में रन करता हूँ एंड मैं 5 साल हुआ है रनिंग कम्युनिटी में ज्वाइन किया है मैं बहुत सारे 10 किलोमीटर रन भाग चुका है अभी तक एंड हाफ मैराथन अप टू 20 प्लस भागा है एंड इस साल में मैं फास्ट फुल मैराथन किया है एंड प्रोग्राम स्लैम भी कंप्लीट किया है इस बार
Okay, that's great. वैभव, आप बताइए प्लीज.
So, hi, Shraddha. Hi, Roshni. And hi, Shayan. And hi, everyone who is watching JPG Live right now. So, yes, I am Vaibhav Pandya. I'm from the city of Joy, Kolkata itself. And I've started my running career, or you say became runner from 2017 onwards, once I started running, and I picked up one of these 100 days of running sort of event to take up my challenge, to start running with. And trust me, once you get used to these challenges, right? This is something which makes your fitness as a lifestyle, your habit. And trust me, since then, I have not been able to quit running. And basically, I am a chartered accountant and a company secretary by profession. I'm working in Birla Corporation, but I am a fitness enthusiast. And I keep running marathons and keep traveling cities to run marathons and to enjoy different crowd everywhere. Also, I have a training location in Calcutta Maidan, and we train every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday there. So all fitness enthusiasts who are interested in training and running, taking up running seriously, you can always find me there 365 days in a year, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday at Maidan, Elliott Park.
Awesome, awesome. So people who want to start their fitness journey and want to train with Vaibhav, you know where to find him. So, as you said, Vaibhav, this kind of challenges and all. So, since आज हम 26th day पे है and we are near about finishing a month of the 101 days challenge. So, मैं आप लोगों से जानना चाहूंगी, कि what do you feel about the 101 days challenge? How do you see it benefiting people, not only the people who are already into fitness, बट काफी सारे हमारे रजिस्टर्ड पार्टिसिपेंट्स में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो नए हैं, दोज हु आर नॉट रियल रनर्स, दे हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड ऑन देयर जर्नी. सो शायन आपसे जानना चाहूंगी कि इस टाइप की जो 101 डेज चैलेंज है, इस टाइप की चैलेंजेस से रनिंग कम्युनिटी या फिटनेस कम्युनिटी को कैसे बेनिफिट मिलता है?
दिस इज वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली अभी जो करंट सिचुएशन है, तो एक्चुअली जो लाइव इवेंट होता है कोलकाता या पूरा ऑल ओवर इंडिया में, अभी जो टाइमिंग है, अभी से 4 मंथ या 5 मंथ से लाइव इवेंट चालू होता है. तो अभी जो वेदर कंडीशन है, अभी पूरा वेदर कंडीशन के कारण बहुत सी जगह में लाइव इवेंट नहीं होता है. तो इसके वजह से बहुत लोग रन करना छोड़ देता है, सोचता है जब विंटर जब आएगा उसी टाइम से रन स्टार्ट करेगा, ऐसे दिमाग में चलता है. बहुत सारे लोग के पास पुश करने के लिए भी कोई नहीं होता है जो चलो भागो, एक साथ भागते हैं. तो अभी इस टाइम में इसी टाइप का जो चैलेंजेस है, बहुत इम्पैक्ट मिलता है बहुत सारे रनर्स के ऊपर. तो अभी जो जो लोग रजिस्टर किया है, ठीक है, इवेंट में, तो इन लोगों के अंदर एक रेगुलरिटी का आता है, कॉन्सिस्टेंसी आता है. तो ये सब पोटेंशियल काम जब लाइव इवेंट आता है उस टाइम बहुत इफेक्ट मिलता है. तो अभी से जो लोग रन स्टार्ट किया है, धीरे धीरे भाग रहा है, ठीक है, हर डे किसी कोई 10 किलोमीटर कर रहा है, कोई 3 किलोमीटर, ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा है, धीरे धीरे बढ़ते जा रहा है. तो उस लोगों का इफेक्ट पड़ेगा, जो बेनिफिट है वो पड़ेगा जब इवेंट स्टार्ट होगा, लाइव इवेंट स्टार्ट होगा, तब उसको पता चलेगा जो जेबीजी 101 चैलेंज का क्या इफेक्ट, क्या बेनिफिट. क्योंकि परफॉर्मेंस लेवल बहुत बहुत परफॉर्मेंस लेवल हाई हो जाएगा, उसका इफेक्ट आ जाएगा, मतलब टाइमिंग धीरे धीरे इम्प्रूव होगा. क्योंकि वो 101 डेज भागा है, तो उसका जो मतलब इम्यूनिटी में भागा है, तो उसका इफेक्ट पड़ेगा, डेफिनेटली पड़ेगा. ये ओनली कोलकाता का रनिंग कम्युनिटी में नहीं पड़ेगा, पूरा ऑल ओवर इंडिया का जो लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है सबको मिलेगा ये बेनिफिट.
एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली, आई टोटली अग्री टू दिस. ये एक प्री प्लानिंग हो जाती है. अगर हम प्रॉपर रनिंग सीजन में कोई भी मैराथन टारगेट कर रहे हैं, तो इस टाइप की चैलेंजेस दे डेफिनेटली डू बेनिफिट एंड हेल्प यू बी एक्टिव, फॉर मोर नंबर ऑफ डेज. Otherwise, we have enough reasons to say, यार आज नहीं जाना, आज बहुत गर्मी है, आज बहुत, like things like that. So, Roshni, how do you see yourself inspiring your fellow runners, your group members, or your family members through these kind of challenges that we take?
I have quite a many friends and also other fellow runners from my running group, that is the Lakes Running Squad in Kolkata, who have joined the JBG 101, and they are doing it like meticulously. And many of them have been like new runners. They have just started off with doing 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer, and they are doing it in a regular basis. So they can see that improvement in themselves. So these kind of challenge not only builds us up, physically, but it also makes us mentally stronger to be able to go out and run in this kind of a difficult weather these days. So that is how you spread that message that when you see somebody in front of you going out and performing or running, even in spite of the difficult weather, you also feel कि ठीक है मैं भी कोशिश करती हूँ, maybe I can walk if not run. So in these kind of challenges, it's not important that you have to maintain any pace or maintain any competition or a particular distance to show off anybody. It's just for your own self. So that is how we motivate ourselves that whatever happens, little bit in the whole 24-hour times, at least 30 minutes, 40 minutes, you can give to yourself, you can invest in yourself so that you can, keep moving every day, keep going. So walking, running, jogging, sometimes if you don't feel like running, just do a brisk walk, do an easy jog. So that is how you just have the whole people telling you that, yeah, come, let's do it and let's meet after the run. So, yeah.
Absolutely. And it's always fun when we have a group running together.
Right.
So
Right.
that adds more to the fun also, and like it's easy to run in a group, I feel. Weber, what would you
Right.
want to say about this? Like, how do you pre-plan? जैसे आपने बताया already that you train a lot of people, you help a lot of people train into fitness. So how do you plan your आपकी ये जो challenge के आप runs plan करते हो? Is there any pre-planning involved, or how
So,
do you go about it?
see, 101 day is a very nice platform for people to start up running or jogging. One advice to everyone is that don't fall into the trap of competitiveness. Like, I have to, like, people are doing so much, I have to do. If you're doing it for the first time, just get into the habit of doing it. Trust me, it is not important to every day run long. You can run one day, alternatively, you can walk, jog the other day. Give your body an adequate rest, keep hydrating yourself. It's summertime, but staying committed and staying consistent is what will give you the difference. So that is what I would want to say to the newcomers, because experienced runners, they know they won't push themselves unnecessarily because they know that they should listen to their body. So what I see normally, what happens when many people join the 101 days, so they think that they have to do it and they have to top the leadership chart. So please ignore it right now. This is for your own self and enjoy the achievement.
Absolutely. So we have also been promoting the same format that you are saying, Vaibhav. कि 101 days challenge है, but it's not necessary that you go out for all 101 days.
Exactly.
You have got enough of rest days, and जितने भी दिन आप करते हो, आप run करो, walk करो, just to move every day. That is the basic idea behind this challenge. So how many, मैं तीनों से जानना चाहूंगी, कि how many days are you planning to be active in this 101 days challenge? शायन, what about you? आप कितने दिन रन करने का सोच रहे हो इसमें?
मैं अभी तक सोचा है 75 प्लस करने का सोचा है, क्योंकि मेरे को लास्ट मंथ में एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, तो इसमें घुटना में थोड़ा इंजरीज है, तो इसलिए मैं
Okay.
ऐसे ही सोचा या
Okay. Wow, that's a huge number to even talk about it. 101 में से 75 days is a great target, I would say. Vaibhav and Roshni, what about you
So
guys?
basically, I plan to run 3 days in a week, and 4 days I try to complete the run workout. Rest days are my leisure. I do a leisure evening walk with my family, sometime with my office colleagues, maybe post lunch. That is an additional bit which I'm doing for this 100 days one challenge. But my primary as a workout task, I'm doing it 4 days in a week.
That's so awesome. If you can plan it in this way, the 3 days dedicatedly I will run, and the rest of the days I would do a leisure walk. It makes your planning also easy, and plus you get to be active more number of days.
Correct.
That's a brilliant strategy, I would say. Roshni, what about you?
I plan to keep at least 80 to 85 days. That would be like 3 months of consistent activity. So it need not be running every day. It can be just walking, running combined or jogging combined. So that would just ensure that I am, committing myself to a goal and just working towards achieving it. So that will keep me focused as well. So that is what I'm planning.
Right.
Super.
So, talking about the weather, since we are talking about, we all are from Kolkata here. So, keeping in mind the humid kind of a weather that we have in Kolkata, what is the kind of hydration that you guys are, planning for yourselves? Because the weather is such that we tend to get dehydrated very fast. So please tell us how do you plan your hydration for your run? शायद
So
आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी पहले.
यस, एक्चुअली मैं मेरा लॉन्ग रन का शेड्यूल बताता हूँ आपको. जैसे मेरा लॉन्ग रन रहता है, सैटरडे करके लॉन्ग रन रहता है, तो मैं उसका पहला जो दिन रहता है, हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा पानी पीता है, 4 लीटर का आसपास पानी पीता है. 4.5 लीटर के आसपास पानी पीता है. एंड रन स्टार्ट करने के पहले मैं 200 ml का पानी पी के रन स्टार्ट करता हूँ. एंड मैं सबको रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे जो रन करता है उसी टाइम, सब कोई कोई ऐसे सोचता है रन करने का टाइम पानी पीना नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, टॉयलेट आ सकता है, कुछ कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है, तो हाइड्रेशन लेना नहीं चाहिए. तो हम सबको रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, अभी जो वेदर कंडीशन है, तो सबको जस्ट 200 ml का पानी का बोतल ऑल टाइम हाथ में रखना जरूरी है, ठीक है. आप भाग रहा
Right.
है 2 किलोमीटर या 2.5 किलोमीटर के बीच बीच में, आप 200 ml का खत्म कीजिए, फिर रिफिल कीजिए उसको, एंड उसको कंटिन्यू कीजिए. तो ये जरूरी है अभी अभी जो वेदर कंडीशन है, मैं ये
correct.
फॉलो
Roshni,
करता हूँ.
what about you? How do you keep yourself hydrated?
This is what I would like to touch upon with respect to planning the runs as well. Because most of the times when I'm running long, I run alone. So I make it a point that I plan how much I'm running next day, and that depending on that, I will plan my hydration. So if it's a long run, say 2 hours run or 2.5 hours run, I will be carrying a hydration bag. I'll be carrying some, the quick snacks like khajur or Parle G biscuit or some electrol and gels. So I think for the new runners, it is very important to understand that this weather is like a very difficult weather and it is very stressful for our body. So it will dehydrate us, it will make us fatigued and tired more easily. So just water is not enough. You have to carry electrol as well. So whether you have fast enough or any other electrol, even if घर में fast enough नहीं हो, you can make simple नींबू पानी and rock salt वाला mix करके water and carry it with you and just keep sipping it after every 1 kilometer. It may be you're not feeling thirsty, but just keep sipping one or two sips. That will keep your system, hydrated and cool in the summer. So, and that will also prevent you from falling sick in this weather. So, yeah.
Right. So our viewers are already commenting very informative and you guys are very
Yes.
inspirational.
So
So we
I
will
would.
open the forum for questions at the end. So Weber, please tell us how do you plan your hydration?
So I would completely agree with what Shayan and Roshni both said. So I will not repeat that. So that is a very true thing. Another thing, very important thing, which I think you should take care of. People always think that hydration is important during your run. So I would like to come out of this and tell you that hydration is required throughout the day. If you are doing a workout in this weather, summer, your body, the amount of salt loss you are doing, it cannot be covered in that 200 ml of water which you are drinking that time. So you should keep hydrating throughout the day, at least 3 to 4 liters, minimum 4 liters of water intake. Everyone should take it. That would help you to do a better workout next day also. So during the run hydration, definitely Roshni and Shayan has covered rightly electrolytes, or every 20 minutes you take something, that is all good. But what I want to add to the both of them is that you should drink throughout the day, because hydration is, during the run there's a capacity, you cannot drink too much, right? And but when you're doing a 40 minutes, 45 minutes of workout, throughout the day hydration is very helpful, and you should keep sipping some water, at least 4 liters. Try to have a target of 4 liters every day. That is my target.
Okay, so that is the target that you set for yourself.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's really good to know, that you guys are so mindful about your fitness journey that you are planning your runs, you're planning your hydration, your food intake, everything. That is, I think, what is wholesome health all about. So I am sure our viewers here, they have noted down a lot of informative pointers from you guys. So Roshni, आप बताइए, like, is there any advice you would want to give? If there are a lot of participants in our 101 days challenge who have not been able to, because it's a summer season, vacation time है, so a lot of people have been traveling and all. So अगर कुछ दिन के लिए inactive हो जाते हैं, so how do you restart that break?
I think in our life, we live a complex life and we have to constantly multitask and prioritize different jobs. So it is a common thing that every morning you may not be able to go out and do your run or your fitness workout as you plan to. Something or the other will come out. You know, you're managing your job, you're managing your family, you're raising kids, you're giving them priorities. So, un sab ke beech mein bhi you have to keep inspiring yourself to take some time out and focus on yourself. So, you have to be, the most important thing is to be open-minded and flexible. You know, so even if you miss your morning run, just try to make it a point that if you can manage to do some brisk walking in the evening or at night, you know, so that it may not be कि morning का run miss हो गया तो सारा दिन कुछ बेकार गया, you know, there's nothing else to do. You can just be doing it at some other times when you get some free time. So that is one important thing, just be flexible. And secondly is that running, going out and for a run need not be a stressful activity. You know, you can just go out, do a proper warm up, do an easy run, and then follow it up with some cool stretching, relaxing, cool down exercises. So that will overall give you a good feeling. So you can also enjoy that activity in spite of that weather. So just chill and enjoy the process, because after all, whatever steps you're moving, whatever distance you're covering, it is going towards your own fitness improvement as well. So
Absolutely. Absolutely, I totally agree because I think this is a challenge that a lot of people face. कि एक break हो गया उसके बाद start कहाँ से करें? So it's something that comes to all our minds. So एक out of the box question पूछना चाहूंगी आप तीनों से in fact कि you guys are very well aware of what the format of 101 days challenge is. इसमें से कोई एक आपका favorite part which you feel कि नहीं ये बहुत अच्छा है, you know, it is very achievable or very doable. ऐसा क्या है इस challenge में? I would want to know from all of you. Weber, we can start with you.
So, one thing good about that is that the 60 days minimum which you have kept, that is a quite reasonable one and an achievable one. Many people quit taking the challenge because they think 100 days is, 100, definitely 101 is one thing which is obviously, but the 60 days minimum criteria. So many people knew one who are not doing 10 days also, 20 days also, they can start off with that. 20 days in a
Right.
month is easily doable.
Absolutely. Shayan, what about you?
आ, जो
Someone is writing for Shayan. I just read the comment. Big fan of you, Shayan sir.
थैंक यू। जो बिगिनर्स रनर्स हैं तो सबको लगता है 5 किलोमीटर या 10 किलोमीटर बहुत बहुत डिस्टेंस है, ये करने में बहुत मतलब तकलीफ हो जाता है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है। बट मेन जो थिंग है 3 किलोमीटर पर डे सब कर सकता है, बच्चा भी कर सकता है, बड़ा भी कर सकता है, एजेड लोग भी कर सकते हैं। तो मेरे को ये अच्छा लगा जो 3 किलोमीटर पर डे ये कोई ना कोई आराम से कर सकता है, तो ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Awesome. Roshni, what about you?
I totally agree with Shayan, because I also find that even when you're going through a very stressful and a busy day and you're not finding time to run, 3 kilometers feels like doable. At least I can walk 3 kilometers with at ease and achieve the targets for the day. So that is one thing. And the other thing is that, you know, the JBG page, JBG Endura page that we have in Instagram, that is a very active page. Like, it keeps on giving us tips from time to time, like what hydration to follow, what food we should eat during these times. So these kind of posts really motivate me, and they have motivated my friends as well, because it keeps you connected with the event. It keeps you connected with the community that is participating in this event. So that is what works for me.
Right. Yeah, that's awesome inputs from you guys, and I'm sure जो हमारे viewers हैं जो देख रहे हैं जो शायद अभी तक properly active नहीं थे, I'm sure they are much inspired by this session to start off and continue their journey in the 101 days. So आज voting का दिन था, I'm sure you all have voted along with me. Have you? Oh yes. That's great. So very informative session, guys. I really want to thank you all for joining in. Our viewers, is there any questions or anything apart from praises for all our ambassadors here? Are there any questions or something you can put them down and we can put it to our forum, put it live in our forum? I'll just quickly go through. There are so many comments that have come in. So some runner are in. I think he's also one of our influencers. He's commented that 21 days, 300 kilometers he's targeting to do. Thank you so much. Lovely session. Hi Roshni. Hi Shayan. For Shayan, somebody has written he's an Indian Usain Bolt. Vaibhav, huge fan. Wow. So our viewers are all praisers. So anything that you would want to say before we end the session? Anything like any message to our community? And I would not say only Kolkata community because we have participation from entire India. So आपकी तरफ से पूरे इंडिया के जितने भी रनर्स हैं हमारे साथ उनके लिए कोई मैसेज एनी information or anything that you would want to share?
One
Shayan,
thing, just
yeah,
अच्छा,
Vaibhav, please.
shy. So
No, no, please.
one thing is just that कि for running or for taking such kind of challenge, you don't require any other amenities or a lot of time. What is only needed is your commitment. So you can easily manage. Like I told you, many of my colleagues are not part of the challenge. But what I make sometime do is that post my lunch, I take them along for a 3 kilometer walk. That takes it half an
Okay.
hour, 20 minutes. But that is a habit which they are liking it and they are saying, yeah, this is something very new. So point is that you can make out time for yourself and it is easily achievable. So point is that take up the first step, 100 days will follow.
Absolutely. उन सबके नाम नोट डाउन करना है नेक्स्ट टाइम हम सबको रजिस्टर करवाएंगे Rajni, what about you? Anything, any tip that you would want to share?
I think the basic essence of JBG Endura 101, that is move every day, it works very much for me. So it is a simple message that will tell you to just keep moving, just keep at it in spite of everything that comes your way. Just, focus and keep moving because every step matters, every step counts. So that is what.
Shayan, what about you?
हाँ, तो मेरे को लगता है जैसे हम लोग रन करते हैं कोई भी लोकेशन में कोई भी जगह पे रन स्टार्ट करते हैं तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं जैसे वॉक करता है जो भी करता है मतलब उन लोग को पुश करने का कोई नहीं रहता है, ठीक है। तो उन लोग को ज्यादा से ज्यादा पुश करो, इन्वॉल्व करो, रनिंग क्या है कैसा है उन लोग को समझाओ, ठीक है। ऐसे ऐसे करके धीरे धीरे उन लोग को भी अब मूव कराओ, रनिंग कराओ। तो मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ पूरा इंडिया रनिंग कम्युनिटी को, तो आप जैसे रन कर रहे हैं तो उन लोग को भी इन्वॉल्व करो अपने साथ।
Superb. That's how the family grows bigger. Wonderful thought,
One more
Shayan.
thing I want
Yeah.
to add, if I can.
Yeah, yeah, please,
You know,
absolutely.
in this now we are listening and hearing about so many people being diagnosed with different kinds of sickness and disease, whether it's diabetes, whether it's high blood pressure, and the doctors are consciously telling them to go for a walk, do some exercise, do some outdoor physical activity to keep it moving. So I think these kind of challenges, they provide them a kind of a platform where they can start along. If a person is a completely sedentary person sitting in front of the computer all day, did not have any physical activity in his routine, and if you suddenly tell him that you should start running or start walking from tomorrow for your own blood pressure control or your blood sugar control, he will be at a loss. He will not know where to start, how to go about it. So if somebody can guide them that there's a challenge like this happening and you can join me in the morning when I'm going, like Shayan said, motivate them. So they can also feel that essence of fitness in their lives.
Yes, totally agree to you, Roshni. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. And in spite of your all of your busy schedules, you took out time to be inspiration for all our running community. So thank you so much. And that's like we would be signing off. Thank you, guys. Thank
Thank
you
you.
all for joining in.
थैंक यू, हैव अ
Bye bye.
गुड डे, बाय।